Finish this sentence. The sky is, you already did it. You did not even try and blue just showed up in your head. Here is the secret. You have been playing this game your whole life. An LLM, a large language model, is a machine trained to play the same game. That is the entire trick. Give the machine the same sentence. It lines up the words that could come next and gives each one a score. Blue, 82. Great, 11. Falling, 3. Highest score wins. So where do the scores come from? Practice. The machine trained on enormous amounts of text, guessing what came next. Each guess was compared with what actually came next, and the difference adjusted its connections a little. After billions of guesses, those learned patterns produce the scores you just saw. Now watch it write. The winning word joins the sentence, and the game begins again. The sky is blue. Then, today, one guess at a time, the sentence grows. Play the game a few thousand times in a row, and you get paragraphs, emails, code, even poems. All of it from one small move. Repeat it. So why does it feel smart? Because good prediction depends on relationships. To predict words about the sky, it had to learn how sky, sun, night, clouds, stars, and color connect. Good guessing needs patterns about the world. But here is the catch. The game never stops, even when the answer is wrong. Ask it at night, and it may still say blue confidently. It is not looking at the sky. It is predicting, not checking. So double check what matters. So that is an LLM. A finish, the sentence machine, trained on enormous amounts of text to learn the patterns in language. Next episode, tokens. The pieces the machine actually reads. See you there.